Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find a server on Discord using your PC. With the latest update, it's easier than ever to discover new communities. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your PC and make sure you're logged in. Once you're in, look at the left side menu. Here, you'll see several options. Click on Explore Discoverable Servers. This is where you can find a variety of servers that you might be interested in. Now, you'll be taken to a new page where you can browse through different communities. If you have a specific server in mind, you can use the search bar at the top to enter the server's name. Just type it in and hit enter. If you're not sure what you're looking for, you can explore by categories. Scroll through the list of categories available, such as gaming, art, music, and more. Click on any category that interests you to see the servers within it. Once you find a server you'd like to join, just click on it for more details. If it looks good, hit the join button, and you'll be part of that community in no time. And that's it. You've successfully found a server on Discord. Whether you're looking for a new gaming group or a community that shares your interests, Discord makes it easy to connect. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Discord tips and tricks. Happy exploring!